Being the daughter of a preacher can be difficult, especially when your mother abandoned you and is not in the picture. Then the dreaded news. Opal and Preacher moved to Naomi, Florida to pastor a new church. Opal is adjusting to the move, but still very lonely and depressed when things start to change. One afternoon, Preacher sends Opal to the store for a box of macaroni and cheese, some white rice, and 2 tomatoes. But instead, she returns home with a dog. Winn, Dixie. Can Opal convince Preacher to let Winn Dixie stay? Or will Opal have to endure a witch, prisoner, and the hardship of making new friends alone? What will happen because of Winn Dixie?